Hi guys, welcome back to our Python programming class. In our last video, um, we looked at some important information that are necessary for this class. Um, so it's very important that we go back and review the video in order to uh, go along with this class. So to make things easy, just go to the YouTube channel for this class. This is the link, and the video is just about 10 minutes long. Listen to it. It's going to provide you with useful information that you need. Today, we're going to start with a little bit of history behind Python. Python was actually developed in the 90s by Guido van Rossum of Netherlands. His intention was to create a programming language that would be very simple and intuitive as traditional language. And he derived the name from a TV show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. He stepped down officially from his role in 2018. Next, we're going to talk about Python as an excellent first language. If you haven't learned any programming language, and you wanted to learn programming, it is advisable that you learn Python first. And why? Number one, Python has simple syntax, making it easier to read and use than most traditional languages. Python shares many features with traditional programming languages, allowing you to learn concepts and skills applicable to those languages as well. The moment you learn Python, you automatically understand the concept in other programming languages. So all you need to learn is to learn the syntax of those languages. So, Python supports the development of a wide range of programs, including games, web application, and system administration. Python can be used as a script language to work with other software applications. It is a popular language for data analysis and visualization due to the existence of many open source libraries such as pandas for data analysis, matplot, and seaborn for visualization. Python is used by many successful companies including Google, IBM, Disney, and EA Games. As a result, knowing Python is a valuable skill. Python is an open source programming language, and which means that its source code is available to the entire Python communities. So, and if you need to download Python, you can click on this link. It will take you to Python website. You can download Python, and when you download Python, it comes with an IDE, which is integrated development and learning environment, where you can write your code and you can edit your code. But professionals often prefer to use PyCharm, which is an IDE where you can write your code, edit your code. For this class, we're going to go with the IDE that comes with Python distribution. So as a result, next we're going to talk about types of application that we can do with Python. We can do console application, we can do graphical user interface application, we can do web application. Web application you have to teach yourself. The graphical interface application is too advanced to discuss at this stage. So now we're only going to talk about console application. And what do we mean by console application? The console application runs on a Windows system and uses command prompt. It is the easiest type of application to develop. And let's see how this can be done. Basically, you click on the window button, just type IDE. When you type IDE, you can see it comes up here. What do? Then you try to open it. So basically, what I was going to show you here is just to show you a step by step on how to develop a console application. At this stage, you won't be able to write the code until we finish chapter 1, chapter 2 of Murach Python programming class. So by the time we finish chapter 1, 2, 3, you'll be confident enough for you to write the same code which we're going to practice with right now. So here, when you open the IDE shell that comes with Python distribution, this particular page the only thing you can do is just to test a single line of code, like saying 3 times 5, which is 15. What about if you want to, run a chunk of code? So what can you do? Then in that situation, you go to File, you click on New File, and that will open the environment where you can actually write your chunk of code. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to be pasting this code right here to practice console application. Don't worry about if you don't understand how this code is written at this stage. You're going to know it by the time we get to chapter 2. So basically, we've written our chunk of code. The next thing you're going to do is to click Run. And this is going to ask you to save it. So when you click on Save, it took us here. You can give it any name. You can say tuto. Just put it like that. It's going to save as .py. So then since we saved it, it's going to ask for your name. Basically, the code that we are working with, this code that we wrote right here, we are trying to develop a calculator that will calculate your age in the next 100, what your age is going to be in the next 100 years. So now it says, so the console will ask you to enter your name. Say, my name is John. Say, John. It will say, what's your current age? Say, my current age is 45. Your date of birth, say you were born in 1979, and enter your favorite color. Say, my favorite color is sky blue. Then enter. So it's going to display, hello John, your favorite color is blue. You will turn 100 years in the year 2079. So this is how to develop a console application. The same thing you do here, you can do it using command prompt. So all you need to do is just to type command prompt. So when you look at it, command prompt is here. Just click open. And before you use the command prompt, the first thing you will do is to copy this line here. You're going to copy that. So when you copy that, then paste it here. Then click enter. Say your name is John. Your age 45. Enter your year of birth. Let's say 1979. That was what we entered. Then your sky blue. That was your favorite color. And they say, hello John, your favorite color is sky blue. You will turn 100 years old in the year 2079. Okay. If you want to try another one, all you need to do is to repaste the same. It's just to paste that again. Then enter your name. Say your name is Moses. Okay, then what's your age? Say I'm 43 years. Enter your year of birth, say 1982. um your favorite color, say your favorite color is blue. um then enter, say hello Moses, your favorite color is blue. You will turn 100 years, you will turn 100 years old in the year 2081. And this is how to develop a console application. And basically, do not worry about how to write the code at this stage. You just need to understand this process as time goes on. By the time we complete chapter 1 of Murach textbook, Python programming textbook, chapter 1, chapter 2, you'll be able to write this same code yourself. So, and thank you for listening. We're going to meet in our next class.